Damn video.
It's amazing how heavy these
Yep.
things can be.
You're dripping honey again.
It's even more on this side.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would say the fall flow is in swing.
I think so.
Oh Lord, there's Cindy. We'll put her on YouTube. Yeah, too late.
Yeah, just when you pull this frame rest out, then that's not gonna work. I ain't gonna do it.
I put it on the fence.
Yeah, because it's bending this way. Now you don't want to be in there too long. That's open honey. You know when you're gonna cause a damn frenzy and get them all bent out of shape. Don't put any of that moldy bread in there.
Oh man.
What are you
Dad.
laughing about?
Oh, look at this. It's all like things like building.
Burcomb.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not the right size. Look,
It's straight up.
just a smidgen. Just a smidgen. Yeah, these bitches are set for winter. But if you took half these frames out and half of those and swapped them up, you start you another nuke right now. They got enough honey go through winter.
God. Really pulled out.
Yeah, you're not looking for honey, you're looking for a queen.
More Burcomb.
Yeah, just kind of tap it down and back in there. That way you get them out from between the two things of comb.
Probably just here. I'm just gonna move these and take the blocks off.
You might have to extract some of that.
Yep.
What are we gonna call you guys? The almost naked beekeepers?
Yeah, I'd do it naked, but my neighbors complain.
Yeah, they're a little bit too close and there's not enough blockage of view.
I'll put this box back together because it's all honey.
Anyway, we're just looking for a queen. Make sure she's in there and laying. September the 10th. Fall flows in, I guess, in swing by looking at these frames of honey. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees.